This is very hard to open. I have to tell you, I regret this so much, but I just couldn't afford it. So back in my daughter's day, what I remember are those little like Hello Kitty. The brand had I don't remember. It's Sanrio. They had the little like frog. They had the Hello Kitty, and I didn't even know about this one. I know my oldest daughter liked Hello Kitty stuff, but I didn't know here about the Twin Stars. And she's the only person high end that I buy from anymore, and I collect her pressed shadows. That I collect. The anything else I don't like have to have, like I would love to get all of her matte her liquid lipsticks, but at $20 a pop, it's not something that I really could afford. But it seems like twice a year she's coming out with stuff, fall and early spring. Last year she did the Valentine's collection. This year she did the Little Twins collection, and this is cute. This is really really cute. It's just she puts a lot of detail and love into what she makes. I mean, look, you got the little twin stars, right? This called Little Twin Stars. They're on stars and clouds in this mirror here. And you look at the packaging, and it's hard to take out. And then it comes with this, and this is what tells you what all the colors are. This little cover right here. It's Kiki and Lala, Travel to Earth. So, she put the details in the back. It says, you see, this is clear, but she put the details in the back. It's hard to take out. You have to like really use like a pencil to push it through. It came with 2 liquid lipsticks, and I knew I would never use these colors. It was like a turquoise and a light pink, and I knew I would never use it. But she put it in a box, a collector's box, with a cute bag with these little twins on it. But that was $79. And I knew, quite honestly, I knew I couldn't afford it. Because I was like down to like my last gift card. And again, I didn't expect to get anything else. And boom, I got more. So now I regret that I didn't get that, because I would have liked that box in that bag, even though I would never use the lipsticks. Then I found out after I placed the order for the eyeshadows, because this is what I collect, is that women are putting the lipsticks together, and it's making all different shades of purple. And I never thought turquoise, because turquoise has, some green in it, and it would create these purples. So you get anything from a deep, dark, bluish purple or deep grayish purple to it depends on how like some people are putting more pink than the blue, and it'll just keep developing into a really pretty purple. And I'm so mad I didn't do it, because then I got another gift card in the mail. Oh man, I'm so mad. And I would have loved it. And then it's crazy, because the mailman lost my package. And it's usually I have trouble with Sugarpill's packages. And I always think, okay, somebody recognized the box and stole it, And I have problems with my weekend mailman, because he doesn't deliver my mail, my Saturday mailman, and he sends my mail back, which kind of screws me over because it's government mail a lot of times, and my mom's mail. I don't know what it is. Like I have to tomorrow. I have to go renew my dog's license. Texas is required. I've never had to do that in any other state I lived in, and I never got the renewal notice. And I remembered, and I called, and they said, yeah, it's due by Sunday. I'm going tomorrow. So anyway, I thought it was lost in the mail. So I contacted, the company, and I said, hey, since the mailman lost my mail, could I just pay the difference and get the full box set? And that same day, because I called it in, I had a case number and everything. I'm like, what the heck? And the post office is just sucking more and more. Their automated system cuts you off. She doesn't understand what you're saying, and then she hangs you up. And it takes 20 minutes just to get through with their stupid automated system. And then you're on hold for an hour or more. And so I called them up and I said, look, this package, what the heck? It arrived on It was supposed to be delivered on Monday. It arrived on Monday into Houston finally. So I said, fine, I'll get it the next day. No, it just was like in limbo for 4 days. And so I gave the information, the tracking number, my order number and the case number to the company. And that day, same day, they found my package and I got it delivered that same day. So I could have gotten that set, but at the time I just didn't have the funds for it. I just really, really, really wanted these shadows. And because I collect her shadows, and this is beautiful. The detail that goes into it is adorable. So one of the things I loved about it is that she doesn't have a silver pressed powder, which is right up here. She doesn't have a gold press. She's got the money one, but it's not it's an olive gold, and this is a real gold. This, quite possibly, if you kept missing her pumpkin spice, because she said she's not making it again, this would probably be a good dupe. I haven't tested it yet. And then this, I thought this was like kimchi, but once I got it, it's more of a greener color. And she said this is a pink, but it looks like a peach. And everybody that's been modeling it is using this color as a blush. It does, when you swatch it, it's like a warm pink. It does look pinkish. And then of course you have your neutral highlighter right there. So yeah, just wanted to give you the heads up. So yeah, the heads up. If you have the $79, I would say it's a good investment to get the whole kit, because it's got a collector's box, it's got a cute little bag, and I thought I would never use the lip products, but they mix into a really nice purple color. So my loss. I'm not gonna do another. There's no way I could afford to get another one, but I'm very, very happy with this. Very happy with even the packaging, just for the packaging, if that's what you want. Look at that detail. Trinkle Amy always puts love into what she makes, and then, like I said, I like that. I like the silver, and for those of you who missed out on the pumpkin spice, you might want to try that. And so yeah, probably maybe do a look with this next week. Who knows? Well, no, I won't see you next week. The following week. So yeah, so I will do swatches. And yeah, my nails, I don't know, man. I've been using this polish that I got from Sally's like 10 years ago, and it just continues to chip no matter if I put the top coat or not. Ugh, so sorry if you saw that in the pictures. This big chip in my nail. But anyway, yeah, so I just did my nails yesterday to get them nice for today, and just no matter, top coat just keeps chipping. But anyway, okay, so I will not see you next week, but the following week, I do have 3 days that I don't have appointments for, but I'm pretty sure probably 1 or 2 of those days, one will probably be on the phone, and probably the other one I may have to, take my daughter to weekly therapy. So let's see what happens with that. But hopefully I will see you in 2 weeks. All right, love you all. Mwah.